Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do something a little bit different this week. I'm going to show you two trades I've taken this week on the pound dollar, and if you need some help with your trading now or in the future, I'm going to leave my link to my calendar and we can jump on a call and get you to where you need to be on your trading journey. And I hope you enjoy the two videos I'm going to show you right this very minute. Good morning traders, hope you're well. So just a quick recap on this trade I've just taken this morning and the reasons why I got in the trade. Let me just show you. So the 5:45 AM open on this TPO, and we've got a nice naked POC here, which was in line with this naked POC on the daily profile. And we're also into the deviation bands here. We also had a pending order showing on the absorption chart, which I'll show you now. Just bring it down for you. You can see that here. So that was a resting order sat on the depth of market. Let's get rid of that. And I'll tell you what I was thinking and why I've got this red line here. Just delete that a second. So I was thinking liquidity is going to be sat at this level here, which is this level here. So I did think possibly we may take this liquidity here, but at the moment we haven't actually taken it. So I decided what I'll do is when we get to this area here, I will close my trade at this area, which was in line with the daily VWAP. You can see in Asia, I've seen this pattern probably a million times, it's just grinded up all throughout Asia. So we have a lot of liquidity sat. Let me just get my pen 1 second. A lot of liquidity sat here. Stops here, all along this trend line, liquidity here. So lots of stops here. So that was another confluence for me to get short. As you can see at the moment, that's we have respected this area here, but I do expect it to be taken. But it was a safe bet to actually close out the point of resistance, which is the VWAP. And you can see me enter here, and that was my exit. Pretty perfect at the moment, as you can see. We exit about here, but I do expect it to possibly come down here, maybe to this naked point of control. So that's the trade for this morning. Hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, cheers, thanks, bye. Hello traders, hope you're having a nice day today. It's Thursday the 27th of February, and I'm just going to do a trade recap for you. So this line here, this burgundy line here, is what we call the point of control, the POC. So this is where previous transactions had happened for the longest amount of time on the previous day on this profile here. Okay. So prices opened up, traded down to the point of control, which is in line with our demand zone here. Okay, so this is this. Okay, so that's two confluences to get long in the market. We were also at the deviation bands, which is here on my VWAP chart. And I did get up a little bit later this morning, so I actually missed this little initial move up here. Okay, but I did take a trade long, which you can see the entries here and the exit was here. So price opened up right at the demand zone here, which, as I've just explained, is this area here and this area here on the VWAP. Traded up, and when I got up in the morning a little bit later than usual, price was consolidating in this area here, like this. And I took a trade at the bottom of this consolidation here, which is this area here. So this area here on the MT4 is this area here. Okay, because auction market theory says if price builds value at a value area high, in this instance, the expectation is to break out and continue higher. So I just waited for price to build value in this area here, entered the market, and then got long. Another confluence to get long was on the footprint. I'll show you. So this was the consolidation area here. Okay. And I got long after I saw this burst of volume in this candle here. This is the footprint candle. This side represents the sellers and this side represents the buyers. So sellers and buyers. And the most tradable volume in this particular candle on the footprint is here. This is what we call the point of control in this 5-minute candle. So when I see a burst of volume and trap traders on the sell side, which are these here, that is where I entered, as you can see on my live fill here. Okay, so to reiterate, this was building value here, which is here, and you can see my entry being here, and my target was the single print on the daily profile. So this dotted line here is the single print. The entry was in this area here, because I know price had moved away from this area early in the morning at 5:45 a.m. So this area is this area, and this upper area here is this area here on the daily, and I entered just here, around about this area here, which is here, and I took profits at the single print here, which is the first point of resistance. So that's the trade for today. Hope you found that valuable, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.